Robert Furchgott was an American pharmacologist who made significant contributions to the field of cardiovascular research, particularly in the discovery of the role of nitric oxide in vasodilation and the development of Viagra. His work revolutionized our understanding of cardiovascular physiology and opened up new avenues for the treatment of various cardiovascular conditions. In the 1980s, Furchgott and his colleagues were investigating how blood vessels relax and dilate. They discovered that endothelial cells lining the blood vessels release a molecule called endothelium-derived relaxing factor, EDRF, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood flow and maintaining vascular health. However, the exact nature of EDRF remained elusive. Furchgott's breakthrough came when he identified EDRF as nitric oxide, NO, a simple gaseous molecule. He demonstrated that NO is produced by the endothelial cells in response to various stimuli, such as acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter. Nitric oxide diffuses into the underlying smooth muscle cells of blood vessels, where it triggers a cascade of events leading to relaxation and dilation of the vessels, improving blood flow. This discovery had profound implications for understanding cardiovascular health and disease. Furchgott's research laid the foundation for the development of drugs targeting the NO pathway, which has become an important therapeutic approach for various cardiovascular conditions. One notable example is the drug sildenafil, commonly known as Viagra. Viagra was initially developed as a treatment for angina, a condition characterized by chest pain due to inadequate blood flow to the heart. The drug's active ingredient, sildenafil citrate, works by inhibiting the enzyme phosphodiesterase type 5, PDE5, which breaks down cyclic guanosine monophosphate, CGMP, a molecule involved in the NO pathway. By inhibiting PDE5, Viagra enhances the effects of NO, leading to increased vasodilation and blood flow. However, during clinical trials, researchers discovered that Viagra had an unexpected side effect. It produced significant improvements in male sexual function, particularly in the treatment of erectile dysfunction, ED. This discovery led to the approval of Viagra by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, in 1998 as the first oral medication for the treatment of ED. Furchgott's research on nitric oxide and the development of Viagra have had a lasting impact on the field of medicine. The NO pathway has become a target for developing drugs to treat various cardiovascular conditions, including pulmonary hypertension, heart failure, and even certain types of cancer. Furthermore, Viagra and related medications have transformed the treatment of erectile dysfunction, providing millions of men with a safe and effective therapy. Robert Furchgott's groundbreaking work earned him the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1998, which he shared with Louis Ignarro and Farid Murad for their discoveries concerning nitric oxide as a signaling molecule in the cardiovascular system. His contributions continue to shape our understanding of cardiovascular physiology and have made a significant impact on the development of therapies for various cardiovascular disorders.